Hi, Bill here, and welcome back to Your Executive Chef. Today we're going to show you how to prepare risotto alla Milanese, or risotto from the area around Milan in northern Italy. So let me get my chef's hat on and my apron and introduce you to Chef Emanuele. And let's get ready to stir. Hi, Chef Emanuele.
Hi, Bill.
What have we here?
Oh, we have all the ingredients for the risotto alla Milanese.
All right, what are they? What is this, for example?
We got the extra virgin olive oil,
Extra virgin olive oil,
garlic,
minced garlic,
and bouillon,
minced bouillon,
the saffron,
arborio
rice.
Now this risotto requires a special rice.
Yes, the arborio rice is the best quality for risotto.
Okay.
White wine, butter,
the butter,
and Parmesan cheese.
grated Parmesan cheese. And these are all the ingredients necessary for the risotto.
And we can serve 4 people with this risotto.
4 people. And you'll explain what proportions of each go into making the risotto.
That's right.
Okay, fine. Very good. Then why don't we get started?
Let's go.
So Chef Emanuele, are we ready to begin?
Let's go.
Okay, let's do it.
When everything is ready, like now for example, we can just put the wine.
White wine.
And we leave the wine create this kind of steam. It's already good.
It's already getting good.
Yeah. And remember, stir all the time.
Continue to stir. Now, can I stir for a while?
Please, help me out.
Okay. Now, will this rice absorb the liquid?
We got just water.
Just water, but it'll absorb all the liquid.
Yes.
But stir and stir and stir. Hi, Chef, are we ready?
Oh yes, we're ready.
All right, let's do it. I'm hungry.
Okay, it's almost done. Just the final touch here.
Which is?
The mantecatura. Ovvero, we need some butter.
Butter.
And Parmigiano.
Parmigiano cheese.
And
you mix them in thoroughly?
Yes, keep stirring. Are you ready with your dish?
I'm ready. And I'm hungry.
Couple more seconds. The butter gonna be ready. And this risotto alla Milanese will be one of the best you ever tried.
Does require continual stirring, doesn't it?
Of course, all the time. Never stop. That's the process, the most important process in the risotto, which is the mantecatura. The cheese start to do like the mozzarella cheese on the pizza.
Yes.
And the butter give all the flavor, make the risotto very, very rich.
Looks like it's just about ready.
Yeah, are you ready with your... You must be very hungry, eh, Bill?
I am.
Okay, we're ready, we're ready.
Ready to plate it. All right.
Yeah. Turn
Okay.
off.
There we go.
And your dish is here.
Boy, does that look good. Can't wait.
You know, we have our 5 things that work better, which is the look, and then the smell, and the last one is the taste.
And there you have it, folks. Look at that.
The risotto alla Milanese.
Ah, here comes the chef with our risotto.
And here is ready your risotto alla Milanese, Bill.
Risotto Milanese, isn't that wonderful? And I'd like to thank our hosts, Teresa, Ina, and Rachel, for allowing us to come here and do the cooking. And let's all sit down and eat. Chef, will you join us?
Fortunately, gonna go clean all the dishes
He's
first.
got to clean the dishes. Well, buon appetito, everybody. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.